Hello, I'm Daniel with Daniel's DIY. Today we're going to be doing some cooking. We're going to make a chicken noodle soup. Looks super good. It's fall now here in Montana. It's starting to get cold. So it's a nice way to warm up. Keep your spirits high. It's going to be a lot of snow here soon. So yeah, let's get started. We'll start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have the Instant Pot set to saute. Once the oil gets hot, you're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic, half of a yellow onion. This is all just minced, really small pieces. We're going to stir this for 1 minute. And then once that's been sauteing for 2 minutes, we're going to add in our chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. You can use chicken tenders or chicken breasts. Use one equivalent to about 2 big chicken breasts. So I'm using 4 or 5 chicken thighs. And you're going to want to saute this until the chicken is mostly cooked. I'm using thawed chicken, and I've already cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And then once that chicken is almost cooked, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and then salt and pepper to taste. I do about, pinch of salt to start, and then 2 pinches of pepper to start, and then after the end is, then you can taste it and maybe add more pepper or salt if you need to. And also 1 bay leaf going in as well. Add that. Let's give that a quick stir here. Get it mixed in good. And then we're going to add in the chicken stock. We got 4 cups. Once that's cooked for 6 minutes and then after release for 5, you're going to hit the little vent button and it's going to vent out here. Once that pin drops and it's safe to open, there it is. Stir it up. You'll hit the cancel button, or you can just unplug it from the power. And there you have it. Chicken noodle soup. 1 pot, super easy. And let's give it a taste. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got lots of new videos here coming up soon. Lots of fun projects in the process of being built. Once I finish them, I'll get the videos uploaded. And say hi to YouTube. Take care, keep on doing it yourself.